Okay, it's Wednesday, September 12th, 2018. We're here at 104th Ave doing a job for Mike, new construction. They have an older fence here that we're going to clean first. First thing is we're going to apply the bleach and detergent solution, and then we're going to use the white tip spray nozzle. But let's document the fence first. And you'll see it's not too bad, but once we put the detergent and then do the proper fan spray cleaning on it, it'll come out almost new. But of course, almost new isn't new, but it'll be nice. Okay, you can already see how effective the bleach solution is on the fence. Just literally applied it, and literally within seconds, it's already turning, an old fence into a new fence. The bleach I use is literally just, Walmart or Old Dutch bleach. You can pick it up for $2 a bottle. Don't waste your money on the Clorox $6 bleach, just ridiculous. And for God's sakes, never, ever, ever buy that 30-second solution. Its main ingredients is bleach, and then it has about 15 other chemicals I've never even heard of. But the point I'm trying to make is they charge $20 to $30 for a gallon of that, whereas you can pick up real bleach for $2 a bottle. So we'll continue on and finish up the last couple panels here, and then we're going to use a white 40-degree spray tip, and then we'll take some pictures of when it's all done and looking beautiful. Okay, here we see the fence all done. Came out beautiful. It's not 100% dry yet, so of course when it dries it looks even better. But the lattice, all the things came out super nice. I'm telling everyone, bleach is your best friend. Again, it just has to dry some more. It's a cloudy day today, but if you get some sun on it, and that, it'll come out really nice. Rinsed all the neighbor's side of the property, so there should be happy, no problems there.